We're going to talk now about the GM OBD1 memcal adapter. It's called the G1. This is also called the GP1 when it's coupled with a ZIF socket. The ZIF socket snaps down in, so if you get a GP1, you can remove this ZIF socket at a later date if you want, but snapping in there makes it very easy to swap chips. Let's talk about the orientation of a chip in the GP1. Remember on the auto prom we talked about the chip when you insert it, you put it with a notch facing toward the handle. That's not the case here. The notch needs to go away from the middle of the ECU, toward the edge of the ECU, away from the handle. So see this chip right here? Away to the left. Text is legible, same direction as the text here. This is the correct orientation. Now let's talk about the memcal. The memcal is needed in order to make this work. In order to get this memcal to fit inside the ECU, you need to remove this blue cover. Easy to do. Pretty easy to do. Notice on this memcal there's two halves. One half here is the limp home mode and the knock sensing. You will need that. Here is the EEPROM half. That is not needed. Notice the orientation of the chip on the memcal with the notch facing outward. Same as what we're doing down here. Look at the connections. This needs to go on the edge connector. Snaps together, and at that point you can take this combined unit and roll it up inside your ECU, snap it down, and this will be your final installation.